Make a great choice today with the 2014 Tundra. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tire pressure monitor. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, MP3 player, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, rear head airbag. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.